Hello kids, today we are going to read a book. The title is Let's Save Water. Here you can see the table of contents, where you can see the contents and the pages. Are you ready? Let's start. Use less. Let's save water. Why? Most of Earth's water is in oceans. It has salt. We have to treat it. This uses energy. Then we can drink it. There is only so much fresh water. We can save it every day. How? John turns off the water. When? While brushing his teeth and while washing his hands. Bo washes his dog. He fills a bucket. He turns the hose off. This uses less water. Ray fills the washer full. Why? So she doesn't have to run it off often. Ming doesn't drink all of her water. She waters plants with it. She waters with ice cubes too. This faucet dripped. We fixed it. This saved water too. Can you save water? Yes. How will you do it? Think about it.